point. This is how high it is. You can see the dock is like straight out. And we scan around here. It's the swimming hole. The water is right up there. I've never seen it like that. Blizzard's trying to get out in the water. Oh, he jumped out. It's like, huh, how can I get down there without getting too wet? No. Let's get the zoomies. Come on, back over here. Meanwhile, Rosie's ready for me to throw her ball. Here she comes. He's not wanting to get too wet. I was just doing what Rosie used to do. Good girl, Rose. Blizzard, come over here, buddy. Here's Rosie. Totally not who she wants to see when she comes out of the water. Have to step on his leash so he doesn't trip Rosie again. Sad.